A beautiful home with a modern elevation, high ceilings, and luxury finishes is what you will find in this video today. Welcome everyone. My name is Candy Perez. I'm a local realtor here in the beautiful Sunshine State of Florida. I'm part of the JP Legacy Group, and today my mission is to bring you the best property, the best incentives that are on the market to help you find what's meant for you and to fit your needs. We're currently located in Ocala, Florida, the city of horses. This particular property is about 8 minutes away from all your supermarkets, restaurants, and hospitals. Also, we're located about an hour and 10 minutes away from Orlando. The best thing about this property is that it has no HOA and no CDD. Let's take a look. Before we go inside, the property that we're about to take a look at has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 1,833 square feet. Let's take a look. Welcome. So as we walk in right into the home, you will notice that we have some beautiful laminated floors all throughout the home. So there is no carpet in any room of this home. By the way, I just want to give you a heads up, just in case you hear some noise, that is the alarm system in the home that they just installed. So just keep that in mind. As we walk on right on over here, we will find the kitchen. It's a beautiful quartz countertop. If you take a closer look, it has like a sparkle to it, which makes it that much more beautiful. We have white cabinets all over the kitchen as well. And the appliances are included with the home. So you have the microwave, the stove, the dishwasher, as well as the fridge. Right on over here, we're gonna have the laundry room, which again, the washer and dryer is also included with the home. And then you'll have a door right onto the garage. So right on over here, we have the pantry as well. And as you can see, you have plenty of storage here. As we continue this pathway over here, you can also put some bar stools over here for your guests. And also you having plenty of space here to put your dining table. If you can see, it's like a pretty open concept. Also, the home has 9 feet tall ceilings. So when you come in, it feels very open, very wide, a lot of natural lighting coming in from the window and also the sliding doors to the back. If you continue on this way, you can have your living room in this area. So it's really up to you how you want to place the home. But you know, you can put your TV here, you can have an L-shaped couch, or however you want to place it, you have plenty of space to do that. I love this property. What I love the most about it is that it has high ceilings, so it makes the space look way bigger than what it is, which is always a plus, especially when you add your furniture, you want it to look bigger. Now, if we look behind me, we're gonna take in a look at the master bedroom. Now we're in the master bedroom. Right on over here, you're gonna see the entrance. And as you can see there's 2 big windows here, so there's a lot of natural lighting. So you don't really need the light throughout the day, so it makes it that much more beautiful to have this space so big and open. Now, if we continue to walk behind me, we're gonna find the his and her closet. So this is something that is very popular here now, which is having the his and hers, which you don't see that everywhere. So that's a plus and a bonus for this home. Now, let's take a look behind me to see the bathroom. Now we're in the master bedroom. Guys, I love this bathroom. What I love the most about it is that it has a tub. And it's not your typical tub. It's like a beautiful tub, very modern, very different. Something that you don't see again, very common. Also, you can see there's a double sink, quartz countertop, which again runs throughout the whole home, and it has some sparkle in it that makes it that much more beautiful. We have a space here just for the toilet alone, which is great. And also the shower right here, it has tiles all throughout the bathroom up to the ceiling, which is another plus because something you see very common is to have plastic all over the shower. Now let's take a look at the rest of the home. Here we're gonna take a look at 2 of the bedrooms and the shared guest bathroom. The guest bathroom really complements the master bedroom because you are gonna find some similar details, such as the tiles in the shower. They also go up to the ceiling, the quartz countertop, and the white cabinet. So because of the way that it's set up, it looks very beautiful and very bright. Now let's take a look at one of the bedrooms. All the rooms here are very spacious. They have all laminated floors throughout the bedrooms and also a lot of closet space. As you can see here, we have double folding door closet. So it's pretty big. It gives you plenty of space. And also they have windows, which again, it brings a lot of natural lighting. And with the high ceilings, it gives it that special touch. Now let's go check out the next bedroom. Now let's go check out the last bedroom and then we'll talk numbers. Also, I just want to mention that in the videos you will see that there is no blinds throughout the home, but they are included with the purchase. Thank you guys for watching. Now we've reached the best and most important part of our video. So just to recap, we just looked at a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. This home is 1,833 square feet and it's currently listed at $320,000. Now you can get this home with a down payment of $11,200. Now, this is an amazing price for what you're getting. Just a reminder as well, this property has no HOA and no CDD, so that's an additional cost that you do not have to worry about. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Candy Perez. I'm part of the JP Legacy Group here in the beautiful Sunshine State of Florida. We're here to help you find the home of your dream. Whether you're looking to invest, whether you're looking for your first home, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you. Now, I'll see you in the next video.